Hey YouTube, welcome back to Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change out a waste toner bottle on a Xerox VersaLink C415 printer. First thing you're going to want to do is open up the front cover, just like that. And then you'll come over here to the side, and you're going to open up this B panel, and then inside that panel are two little orange push buttons that you'll push straight into the machine and just pull the whole thing away from the machine. And it'll lean out like that. Now once you do that, it's not attached, so be careful and keep your hands on it. Lift straight up and out, and you'll take that panel and set it aside. On the side right here at the bottom is your waste toner bottle. On the top and on the bottom right are two little orange push buttons. You're going to push those in, same procedure, and then you'll grab that waste toner bottle because it is spring loaded and pull straight back away from the machine like that and lean it back so that you don't dump waste toner all over yourself. And there's your waste toner bottle. Once you have your new waste toner bottle, you'll face it toward the machine to where those 4 spring-loaded rods line up to the 4 holes on the waste toner bottle. You're just going to push it straight on to the machine until you hear the 2 orange latches click. You're going to reinstall your side panel, so you'll hook the bottom white hooks into their troughs and then swing the white side panel up until it clicks in place, and then you'll swing the B panel up, and then you will close the front cover and you're back in business. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same product, click here. If you'd like to see more videos on printer content, like and subscribe.